In this gripping exploration, we delve into the phenomenon of magnetic pole shifts and their potential impact on our planet. What exactly is a magnetic pole shift, and how often does it occur? As we examine the current movements of the poles and the weakening magnetic field, we'll uncover the implications for both our technology and wildlife. Though often shrouded in myths of impending doom, the truth may surprise you as we investigate the realities of this natural event and its long-term consequences. Join us as we navigate through the complexity of this geophysical process and what it could mean for our future. 1. What is the magnetic pole shift? The Earth is like a giant magnet, with its magnetic poles not permanently fixed but rather in constant motion. The poles move due to dynamic changes in the flow of molten iron and nickel that swirl within the planet's outer core. When the magnetic poles switch places, it's known as a magnetic pole shift. This phenomenon isn't a sudden flip like a light switch but a gradual process that can take thousands of years. The magnetic field that envelops our planet acts as a protective shield against harmful cosmic and solar radiation. Although it sounds alarming, a pole shift is a natural occurrence in Earth's geological history. 2. Frequency of pole reversals. Magnetic pole reversals are not rare events in the Earth's timeline. They have happened numerous times, roughly every 200,000 to 300,000 years. Interestingly, the last known reversal, known as the Brunhes-Matayama reversal, took place about 780,000 years ago. This timeline suggests we're overdue for another reversal. However, predicting when the next reversal will happen is like trying to predict the weather a year in advance. It's uncertain and complex. The geological record shows that while pole reversals are significant, they are not catastrophic. 3. Current pole movement. In recent decades, scientists have observed an accelerated movement of the magnetic North Pole. Traditionally, it moved at a leisurely pace of a few miles per year. However, it has recently been making a beeline from northern Canada toward Siberia at speeds of up to 40 miles per year. This rapid movement has sparked curiosity and concern among scientists and the general public alike. While the reasons for this acceleration are not fully understood, it underscores the dynamic nature of our planet's magnetic field. 4. Weakened magnetic field. For the past 160 years, the Earth's magnetic field has been showing signs of weakening. This weakening is often seen as a precursor to a potential pole reversal. The magnetic field acts as an invisible shield that protects us from harmful solar and cosmic radiation. A weakened field could mean more radiation reaching Earth's surface, affecting both technology and biological life. While this might sound concerning, it's important to remember that the field has fluctuated in strength throughout history without disastrous consequences. 5. The South Atlantic anomaly. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Earth's magnetic field is the South Atlantic anomaly. This is a region where the field is particularly weak and unstable. It has been growing in size and causing disruptions in satellites and other space-bound instruments. For flights passing through this region, there's an increased exposure to cosmic radiation. While the South Atlantic anomaly is a localized phenomenon, it highlights the potential vulnerabilities in our technology and infrastructure due to changes in the magnetic field. 6. Potential consequences of a reversal. A magnetic pole shift could bring about a temporary weakening of Earth's magnetic shield. This could expose the planet to increased levels of radiation, affecting satellites, power grids, and navigation systems. Additionally, there could be an uptick in cancer rates due to radiation exposure. The potential for disruption is significant, touching on various aspects of modern life. However, it's crucial to note that while these consequences could be challenging, they are not insurmountable. 7. No connection to doomsday scenarios. Despite the potential disruptions, scientists are clear that a magnetic pole shift is not synonymous with doomsday scenarios. Geological and fossil records from past reversals show no evidence of mass extinctions or catastrophic events directly linked to pole shifts. While it's an event that requires preparation and adaptation, it is not the end of the world. This perspective helps to balance the sensational nature of the topic with scientific understanding. 8. Animal navigation could be disrupted. Many animals, such as birds, sea turtles, and whales, use Earth's magnetic field as a navigational tool. A pole shift could potentially confuse these creatures, altering migratory patterns and affecting ecosystems. For instance, birds might find themselves flying in the wrong direction, and sea turtles could end up on unfamiliar shores. This disruption could have a cascading effect on ecosystems, highlighting the interconnectedness of life on Earth. 9. It could take thousands of years. A full magnetic pole reversal is not an overnight event. It could take thousands of years to unfold, during which time the magnetic field might become complex, with multiple poles emerging in unexpected locations. This gradual process allows for adaptation and adjustment, both for the natural world and human society. While the idea of multiple poles might seem chaotic, it's a natural part of the Earth's magnetic evolution. 10. Technology and infrastructure at risk. Lansing, the capital of Michigan, experiences winds that can reach up to 15 miles per hour. The city's infrastructure is designed to withstand these conditions, with buildings and roads constructed to minimize wind impact. Residents have adapted by using windbreaks and sheltered outdoor spaces to enjoy the city's parks and recreational areas. The community also celebrates the wind through events like outdoor concerts and festivals, where the breeze adds to the lively atmosphere. In each of these Michigan cities, the wind is more than just a weather phenomenon, it's a part of daily life. Residents have adapted in creative and resilient ways, turning challenges into opportunities for enjoyment and growth.